Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you for all that you are, all that you have been and all you are yet to be. I fell in love with you not for how you look, just for how you are, although you look pretty great too. No one can ever replace your love in my heart and in my soul. You will always be my one and only love. To me, you are perfect. Every time I look at the keyboard, I see that you and I are always together. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. I loved her not the way she danced with my angles, but for the way the sound of her name could silence my demons. You have no idea how fast my heart beats when I see you. Sometimes I wonder if love is worth fighting for, but then I remember your face and I am ready for war. You are the first and last thing on my mind each and every day. When I am with you, I feel safe from the things that hurt me inside. I am so lucky to have you. Feeling loved by you, my favorite feeling. I love my relationship with you, with my bed. No commitment needed, we just sleep together every night. Every day I spend with you becomes the new best day of my life. I am hurt, I am alone, I am depressed, I cry myself to sleep and I hate myself all because of you. I hope you are doing okay because I love you. I don't need the whole world to love me, I just need one person. You know this person well, it's you. I still love you, but you don't care. If I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes only. Then would you realize how special you are to me. Love doesn't make the world go round, love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Your love is like the lamp in the window that gives me home through the darkest night. Holding her hand in public is just another way of saying you are proud to have her. I am much more me when I am with you. I love you as I have been loved another or ever will again. I love you with all that I am and all that I will ever be. Sometimes it's better to be alone, nobody can hurt you. One day you will kiss a man you can't breathe without and find that breath is of little consequence.